Okay, you've packed a suitcase before, right? Maybe hundreds of times. Well, what if I told you that you're probably still making some rookie mistakes that are costing you space, money, and a whole lot of sanity? We have all been there, sitting on top of an overstuffed suitcase praying that it will close, all because we packed for a million what-if scenarios instead of what we'll actually need. It's a classic travel blunder that weighs you down and can hit you with surprise baggage fees that you didn't expect. Well, not anymore. I'm about to share 40 less known packing hacks and secrets that will completely change how you travel on your next trip. You'll pack more into less space and breeze through airport like you own that place. We're covering the universal tricks everyone needs, plus specialized hacks for backpackers, business travelers, frequent flyers, and even families. So let's get into it. First up, these are the game changers that work for everyone, no matter where you're headed to or how you're going to get there. I would call them the universal hacks. If you master these, then you've already won half the battle. So let's start with number one. Use packing cubes for organization. This isn't just a trend, it's a strategy. Don't just cram clothes in. Group your items by category in each packing cube. Tops in one, bottoms in the other. It's like having portable drawers, and you can find anything without detonating your entire suitcase. Number two, roll, don't fold. This one's a classic for a reason. Rolling your clothes is a shockingly effective way to save space and dodge wrinkles. That's how the military pack their bags. For shirts, lay them face down. Fold in the sleeves and roll tightly from the bottom. For pants, put the legs together and roll from the waist. Number three, fold socks instead of balling them up. That takes up too much space. We all do that, balling up our socks, but it destroys the elastic. Instead, fold them flat. They'll last longer and you can slide them into those tiny gaps in your suitcases. Stuff your shoes. Think of your shoes as free storage containers. Fill them with small items like socks, chargers, or adapters to use every last inch of available space. Use old sunglasses cases for cables. A tangled mess of cords is infuriating. A hard sunglass case is the perfect little organizer to keep your cables protected and untangled. What's wrong with me today? I'm tongue-tied. Thread necklaces through straws. To stop your favorite necklaces, from becoming a hopeless knotted mess like the cables, just thread the chain through a drinking straw and clasp it. Simple, brilliant, and it actually works. Hide emergency cash. An empty, clean lip balm or sunscreen tube is the perfect stealthy spot to stash a rolled up bill for emergency, like $100 bill. Because let's be honest, no one is stealing your chapsticks. Scan your important documents. Seriously, don't skip this one. Before you go, take a picture or scan your passport, ID, and tickets. Save them to a secure cloud service or email them to yourself. If the originals disappear, you'll have a digital lifeline. Wrap delicates in paper napkins. For silky or delicate fabrics, fold them into a paper napkin or tissue paper. It adds a layer of protection that helps prevent snags and reduces wrinkling. Use shower caps to cover your shoes. That free shower cap you got in the hotel room is begging for a second life. Use it to cover the dirty soles of your shoes so they don't get grime all over your clean clothes. Use rubber bands to secure rolled clothes. Keep them intact. If you want to take the roll into the next level, that's what you do. Slip a rubber band around each bundle. This keeps them from unraveling in your bag and maintains that tight, compact roll. Next, use plastic file folders for dress shirts. If you need to pack a collared shirt, A simple plastic file folder is a lifesaver. Place the folded shirt inside to keep it from getting crushed and wrinkled. Waterproof with beeswax. Here's an old school trick that's still amazing. Rub a beeswax bar over canvas shoes or a fabric bag to give them temporary water resistant shield against unexpected showers. Next, pack a reversible belt. Save space with a 2-for-1 deal. A reversible black and brown belt covers your needs for pretty much any outfit, cutting your belt collection in half. Next, bring laundry soap sheets and a flat drain cover. This combo turns any sink into a makeshift washing machine. Laundry soap sheets are weightless and they aren't a liquid, and a flat silicone what's wrong with me today? Silicone drain cover will plug any sink so you can do a quick wash. Next, use a pill organizer for a mini first aid kit. You don't need to bring a whole pharmacy. A daily pill organizer is perfect for a few painkillers, allergy pills, and any personal meds, with room left over for a couple of bandages. Next, bring a foldable garment rack. If you're traveling for a wedding, for example, or a big business presentation, a Featherlight foldable garment rack is a game changer. It helps you keep key outfits perfectly wrinkle-free in your hotel room. Download offline maps. I can't say that enough. Don't get stranded without service, please. Before you leave for your vacation or your trip, download the map of your destination on Google Maps. You'll be able to navigate the city without burning through expensive international data. Excuse me. Pre-mark your itinerary on the map. Take it one step further. Drop pins on your downloaded map for all the sites, restaurants, and coffee shops that you want to hit. This helps your group activities by neighborhood. So that you can travel smarter, not harder. You don't want to be hunting down. You want to know exactly where you're going. Always carry a refillable water bottle. I don't know what it is with me today. This is a win-win. It is win for the planet, win for your wallet. Bring your own water bottle to fill up at the airports and hotels. This saves you money and it cuts down on plastic waste. All right, for my adventurous backpackers, I see you. Every ounce counts and every inch is precious. These hacks are all about being mobile, durable, and ruthlessly efficient. Invest in an ultralight backpack. Your pack is your home on your back. Starting with one that's both lightweight and waterproof. That's the foundation of smart backpacking. It protects your gear and saves your back. Bring a packable day pack, Don't haul your massive pack on a day hike. You don't want to do that. A tiny day pack that folds into its own pouch is a must for day trips. I'll have all of that in the description. Leave the heavy stuff locked up and explore freely. Next, embrace multi-use items. The syringe, the Swiss Army knife of backpacking. It can be a towel, a blanket, a beach cover, and a privacy curtain in a crowded dorm, or even a scarf. One item and a dozen uses. Switch to a soap bar. Ditch the liquid body wash. A solid soap bar saves a ton of room in your liquids bag, and it can't leak, and it lasts way longer. Next, pack a microfiber towel. A regular cotton towel is a backpacker's enemy. It's bulky and it takes ages to dry. A microfiber towel is super absorbent, dries in a flash, and packs down to practically nothing. Next, use dry bags for electronics. Whether you get caught in a monsoon or dropped in a lake, ultralight dry bags are non-negotiable. They will save your phone, your camera, and other electronics from watery grave. Wear your bulkiest items. This is the golden rule of budget travel. Wear your heaviest jacket and your clunkiest hiking boots on the plane. It frees up an unbelievable amount of space and weight in your pack. Next, you're going to bring a dedicated laundry bag. Keeping dirty clothes away from your clean ones is just good travel hygiene. A simple mesh or cloth bag will do the job perfectly, and it keeps your pack from smelling funky. Let's continue. Okay, if you're already having some aha moments and rethinking your entire packing strategy, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button down below. I drop travel tested advice like this every single day, and you won't want to miss the tips that saves your next trip. And if you want to enjoy stress-free travel, pick up my ultimate digital carry-on travel bundle with 2 step-by-step video guides, all wrapped into one. You don't want to book your next flight without this bundle. So pick it up from the link in the description. You'll thank me later. Now, what if you're trading a backpack for a briefcase? For business travelers, I didn't leave you out. It's all about efficiency, organization, and looking sharp the second you step off that plane, right? So number 1 for you is carry a mini steamer. Don't rely on crusty hotel irons. A compact travel steamer is way better at knocking wrinkles out of suits and shirts, ensuring that you look boardroom ready in minutes. Next, use a portable charging dock. Instead of a tangled bird's nest of power bricks, a single compact charging station can power up your phone, your laptop, and smartwatch all at once from just one outlet. Next, you're going to maintain a dedicated toiletry bag. This, yes, men, and you need this. This is a pro move. Keep a TSA-approved clear toiletry bag permanently stocked with travel-sized versions of your essentials. When it's time to pack, just grab it and go. You don't have to keep packing it all the time. No more frantic last-minute bathroom raids. You're not going to do that. Next, you're going to use a travel garment folder. This is the next level up from a standard 5 folder. A dedicated garment folder is specifically designed to keep a suit or dress shirt, perfectly crisp and virtually wrinkle-free. Build a neutral mix and match wardrobe. This is the secret to packing light but looking sharp. Stick to a neutral color palette and think colors like black, gray, navy for your main pieces. This lets you create a ton of different outfits from just a few items. Next, you're going to pack a small protected case for your accessories. Don't just chuck your watch, cufflinks, or nice earrings, into a back pocket. A small hard case keeps those valuables protected, organized, and easy to find. All right, parents, I haven't forgotten you. This one's for you. When you're traveling with kids, I know because I've done that before, the name of the game is minimizing chaos. These hacks are all about staying organized and keeping the little ones happy, right? First, you're going to pre-pack outfits in Ziploc bags. This will change your life. Pack each kid's complete outfit for each day. Shirt, pants, socks, and underwear into a labeled, label them, Ziploc bag. Morning routines just became foolproof. You're going to bring a portable sound machine. A new hotel room can throw off a kid's sleep schedule. A small portable white noise machine helps drown out strange noises and makes it easier for everyone to fall asleep and to get some rest. Next, you're going to use collapsible snack containers. Snacks are not just optional, but bulky containers are a headache. Collapsible silicone snack cups save a ton of space in your bag when they're empty and are perfect for refueling on the go. Pack travel-sized entertainment. Long flights and airport waits are a recipe for boredom. Keep kids occupied with compact entertainment like small coloring books, a deck of cards, or a tablet loaded up with their favorite shows and games. Finally, this one is for the savvy international explorer, if I may say so. If you're heading across borders, these hacks will ensure that you're prepared for anything. Check passports and visas early, even before you book your flight. This sounds obvious, but you'd be shocked how many people mess this up. Months before your trip, check that your passport has at least 6 months of validity left in it. and research if you need a visa and anything else. Avoid that heart-stopping last-minute panic. Next, you want to download free digital tour guides. Save some cash and travel smarter by downloading those free digital guidebooks or audio walking tours before you even leave. You'll have a local expert right in front of you while you're looking in your pocket, and you don't need Wi-Fi. And there you have it, 40 packing hacks to transform you from a stressed out overpacker into a smooth, streamlined traveler. Smart packing really comes down to being intentional. It's about using packing tubes to stay organized, rolling clothes to make space, and picking versatile items that pull double duty. When you get this right, you're not just saving room in a suitcase, you're saving yourself from stress and money too, and giving yourself more energy to actually enjoy your trip. And that's the goal, right? So what's the one packing hack you absolutely swear by? Drop it in the comments section below. I would love to hear it. And I read every single one. And I'm always looking for new tricks. Just me, for my personal self. Yeah. Remember to go pick up the travel bundle for that one bag travel. The link again is in the description. And I invite you to go watch my playlist for more tips and hacks. I have a packing playlist. Carry on, all the playlists. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next adventure.